Hello, and welcome back to Chapter 2 of the Test Modeler 101 series. In this module, we'll be covering the different QuickStart frameworks we have available and the example models for each project. Let's start with our web automation project. In our examples folder, you'll find a model for a login page to our demo e-commerce website, Magento. So let's open that up. This model shows the logic to log into the site using a valid email and password combination. From here, you can immediately generate tests and execute the automation. In our API automation examples folder, we'll find an example for chaining an API request, as well as a login page. Next, we're in our mobile automation project, and we have 3 example folders. We have one to establish a connection, and 2 models for a shopping app on native and on a mobile app. In our connections folder, we have 2 models, one for an Appium connection and one for a SauceLabs connection. These will ask what device you'd like to test and for connection credentials. The Swagger Labs app model is a master model made up of smaller components, which you can view in this folder here. And this model will take you through loading a device, logging in, and checking out an item. Finally, let's look at our QuickStart Mainframe project. We have a model of a login process for a mainframe system available. And all of these example models inside the QuickStart projects are able to generate test cases and execute automation without any external configuration.